Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something super cool. I want to show you a fuel tank retaining ring tool. This is adjustable and it's super neat because a lot of times when you're doing a fuel pump on a vehicle, you have your gas tank down on the floor, you're ready to get your fuel pump out of there, but you've got this plastic ring on there. You try to grab it, you try to twist it, you're trying all these sorts of things, maybe even a little punch with a little hammer, bonk, 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 and it just won't break free, right? Because all you're getting on is one side and your hand strength just can't break it free. That's why we sell this tool right here. It's got these little prongs, okay? And it's got this. These go into the slots right here and they can adjust around where that ring is and they grab right onto the lips. You tighten them down once they're adjusted to where you need them. And then the center hole right here is a 3/8 ratchet, or you can use this adapter and use a 1/2 inch ratchet if you need something a little, lengthier or girthier to grip onto. So this is going to give you a lot more leverage to get that ring off, which a lot of times is really stubborn. People have a hard time with it. You can go ahead down to 1aauto.com and scoop up this tool. No problem. Easy peasy.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.